welcome back to another video. My name is Lainey and today we are going to the Renaissance Fair. Just so you know, I am in a parked car. I just forgot to film my intro. But I'm a little nervous to drive right now because we had a massive storm last night and this morning. And it looks nice and sunny, but apparently a ton of roads are flooded and closed. There was an accident literally right outside my house. So it's gonna be fun, but I'm outside the bank right now, so we're gonna go get money while I look like this. Yay, we made it to the fair! I just parked and I'm going to put on some sunscreen since it's like nice and sunny now and no longer looks like it's going to rain all over the place. But I'm glad that we made it okay. None of the roads were closed or anything. And I didn't lose my SD card. But we made it! 1 row, 2 rows, always count the cars that you pass by so you know where you park. But we made it! 3 rows, let's go in!
Perfect. So, back to basics. Straight back, straight forward, put it right in the wall. Okay, so, grab the axe, back up. Since you're about taller, you're going to probably want to back up right about there. Don't move your feet. Use your arm and throw it right in there. 5'2.5". That was perfect. So back up more. Okay. I got some boots. Okay. Try to let it come up your hand. But that makes any sense. If not, back up more. Yeah. I tried to stand up. That one was a little low. We'll blame it on the axe. It was axe. Yeah, it was axe. You know what's standing the scale? This thing was built like 15 years ago. You know, back up all the way. I mean, what do you weigh? Like 10 pounds. Nice rain pouch, and then you forgot the rain. Okay. Thank you. Ah!
I wasn't expecting that birthday.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, Pinwheel, it's your special time.
I know everybody. Special time.
Special time, special time, special time, special time, special time, special time, special time.
Okay, I'm heading out. It is kind of windy, so I don't know if you'll hear me well. But overall, successful day, a lot of shopping, and free tickets. Well, complimentary tickets, because they were not free. Complimentary tickets, one. Yay. Okay, I am just about to head home because it is super humid. Like super humid out, so I think it's time to go home. But I will show you guys what I got, and also I thought it was really cool because like someone recognized me and came up, and that always makes me super happy. So yeah, no, I'm just really excited that someone recognized me from Instagram. So yay! Okay, I will see you when I get back home. Sorry, my finger is in there. I am too tired for this. New camera. Okay, I was not expecting this to be so wide because it's in the same place as my normal camera, and my normal camera is like this, so enjoy my squishmallows, I guess. But I am back from the fair, and I just thought that I would show you guys everything that I got today during Marketplace. And for those of you who don't know, Marketplace is when you spend X amount of dollars and you get complimentary tickets if you meet that threshold. And I am finally financially stable, and I could finally do it this year, and I've been wanting to forever, so I did it. So let's see everything that I got. We will start off with my first purchase, which is this guy. He is a mushroom teacup, little mug guy, and the best part about him, there's a snail in it. For those of you who have not seen my tattoo blog, I have a snail tattoo that I got in Paris. So I saw that this artist had like little snails in their mugs, and I was like, yep. And I already wanted one of their mushroom mugs because I saw them on Facebook, and I just think this one is so cute. Okay, next up, my next purchase was something that I have been wanting for a few years, technically now 2 seasons we're gonna say, because we're just gonna say I wanted it after I turned 21, and that is this guy, who was the last one. It's a little flask, a pewter flask. He is quite heavy. This is a 6-ounce one, and on it is a little kraken design. So hopefully you can see him. The octopus is my second favorite animal, following manta rays. So I have been eyeing this guy for so long, and this was the last octopus one that they had, and I was like, yeah, you're coming home with me. And he came with a protective case. He's a little 6-ounce guy. After that, I went to Zootsu, which is one of my favorite clothing places. I'm someone with a lot of sensory issues, and their clothing is one of the only places where I can like wear it. So this is now my 5th pair of pants. I have this exact pair in 3 different colors and a different pair of pants in 2 different colors because they are just literally so nice. These guys I tried to buy at the end of last season, and they were totally out, and I really regretted it because I wear my other 2 just like this all the time, and I live in them. And so I got them in green. They have pockets. So I am 5'5", by the way. These fit my 6'3" cousin, or maybe he's 6'2" or something. He's over 6 feet tall, and these fit him. He borrowed these last year. So they are super stretchy. They have drawstrings as well, and little grommets. They're cotton, so they are 100% cotton. They breathe so nice. I also got this chemise. I want to do an ocean themed wren garb day, so it's just a very simple blue cotton chemise. It has some elastic and princess sleeves, and it has elastic at the front, and I got it to match this blue skirt that I have. And the person who was helping me was like, yeah, I'm pretty sure these are the same dye batch, but this one has been washed and in the sun a little bit. So we're hoping after a little time they'll look like they're from the same family, but I'm pretty excited. This corset is reversible and black on the other side, so it's gonna be blue and black fish themed. So I have a lot of fish stuff. And I think I'm gonna turn this guy into, like, put a little beret on him and, you know, be the parent of manta rays. It's gonna be fun. That's my plan. The last thing I got, we were leaving, and this was a new shop, and If you don't know me, I love weird random big earrings, and a few years ago I was studying abroad in London, and in Camden I found these like spiral earrings, and that launched an obsession for me. I had 4 pairs of spiral earrings, and this is pair number 5. In my defense, these are super cool, and I have never seen anything like them. They're made from shell, and one side is kind of white, the other is kind of white and orange yellow, and it's super iridescent. I love the design in it. They are hand carved. They said that they have been working with an artist exclusively for over 20 years to make these, and I thought their pricing was actually really good. I think that's all I bought apart from like food and drinks and parking, but I'm pretty excited because I won my free tickets. So I've been wanting to do this for such a long time, and I got my tickets. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me on my adventure today. So excited to be filming this on a new little camera, even though I can't plug a mic into this one, so who knows how the audio is gonna be. But yeah, that's it. I will see you next Friday, or if not next Friday, the Friday after that. Thank you so much. Bye!